Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Sakina binti Abdul Wahab. In this video, I will present about educational board game entitled Lego Data City Build, Group and Explore. Lego Data City is a Lego themed educational board game designed for children aged 10 to 12 years old. The game can be played by 2 to 4 players and each session takes around 30 to 45 minutes. The main objective of this game is for players to collect data cards and build meaningful clusters using multiple characteristics. These characteristics include color, size, shape, and weight. Moving on to game materials, the game includes game board, data cards, mission cards, twist card, dice, player tokens, and scoring tracks. So, how to play the game? At the beginning of the game, each player receives 2 data cards. Player then take turns rolling the dice and move in the board. Depending on the space they land on, they perform different actions. For example, data box allows players to draw a new data card. Mission spaces require players to complete clustering tasks. Twist spaces create random gameplay effects. Trade spaces allow players to exchange cards, and free build spaces allow players to organize their cards. During any turn, players can build clusters using 3 or more data cards with similar characteristics. This slide shows an example gameplay session involving 3 players, Aina, Ben, and Kumar. At the start of the game, each player receives 2 data cards. During turn 1, Aina lands on a data box and receives a new card. After checking her cards, she notices that all of them share the same red color, while some cards also share similar size and weight. She successfully forms her first cluster. Next, Ben lands on a trade space and exchanges cards with Kumar. However, he is unable to form a cluster yet because his cards do not share enough similarities. During Kumar's turn, he lands on a mission space and receives a task to form a cluster using size and weight only. After drawing an additional card, he successfully forms a valid cluster using the shared variables, which is small and light. Later in the game, Ben lands on a twist space where one of his cards changes shape randomly. This forces him to rethink and adjust his clustering strategy. The game continues until one player reaches the finish space. The winner is determined based on the number of valid clusters and the diversity of clustering strategies used. The multivariate techniques that is used in this game is cluster analysis. Cluster analysis is a method used to group similar data based on multiple variables. The clustering concept used in the game is based on similarity-based grouping, where items are grouped if they share common characteristics across at least 2 variables. This reflects the fundamental idea behind real-world clustering techniques, such as hierarchical clustering and k-means clustering, where similarity or distance measures are used to form groups. For example, cards that share both color and size would be considered part of the same cluster. The game also introduces the concept of outliers and noise through twist cards. These elements challenge players to reassess clusters and improve their analytical decisions, like how data scientists refine models when handling imperfect data sets. Overall, the multivariate technique used in this game simplifies complex statistical principles into a hands-on learning experience that allows players to develop an intuitive understanding of how clustering works in real data analysis.